I'm gonna be telling you something that nobody actually talks about. I'm the first to tell you this. It's very useful. You can print AI content unlimitedly and it looks ultra realistic and makes results. Whether you do a dropshipping store and you don't have a product, whether you make content for your client or make ad creatives around Facebook ads for somebody and you wanna make crazy good looking ad creatives, maybe for your personal brand. And with this method, I actually gained over 200 million views in less than 2 weeks. So let's get right into it. Okay, let's say you have a certain product you want to make a video out of. So let's type a random dropshipping product, for example, like something like Hi Smile, for example. Okay, let's use this pink one. Okay, download it, go to Gemini. You will actually need a subscription if you want to print content. Here we will first make an image that looks ultra realistic, and out of this image we will make a video. I have a subscription, by the way. It's like $20. It's very useful. We will be using Nano Banana. Okay, let's click plus, upload, click this create image, Think 3 Pro, and let's say, for example, toothpaste. The interior is a Lamborghini. The image is taken from an iPhone. The image is ultra realistic. Okay, let's see what we will get from Nano Banana. Nano Banana is actually so good by creating images. It literally makes an image in a minute. You will see right now, I won't cut anything. It makes images in a minute and makes them ultra realistic. I use this for my clients every single day. I print like 5 to 6 videos per day, all AI, and I also print images that look ultra realistic, like somebody actually took a photo out of it. And let's see what we got from this. Yeah, like crazy, man. The image is looking so good. Like, look at the details, man. Okay, let's tell him just to change the background not to be the road because it's not realistic, because later on we will make a video out of it, so we don't want to drive the car. So this is a random example of how you can make an ultra realistic image with Gemini. I'm using a Lamborghini, for instance, because it's simple, random, and you can do literally anything. You can make a lab, you can make a penthouse as the background, you can make a Ferrari as the background, you can make anything. The Nano Banana is crazy because it actually shows the logos of the cars, of the brands. You can literally add to this image a Louis Vuitton bag or anything you want. It also creates celebrities, so it's very good to use if you want to create content. Okay, for example, we have something like this, a Lamborghini steering wheel. Okay, let's tell him change the background to be a parking lot, not a road. Let's see what we get from this. The Nano Banana is actually free, so you can use like 5 images per day, I think, but it's better you pay like $20 and use it forever. Yeah, it's looking crazy, but the parking lot is not the parking lot. Okay, it doesn't look very good right now. Let's download this image. The Nano Banana is actually a cheat code for everything. You can place your face, you can place celebrities in an image, Louis Vuitton bags, Dior bags, everything. It's so good. It literally makes everything you want come true. Use it because it's not so talked about AI tool right now, and you can make a lot of money with it. Okay, we got the image. Let me place the image here and tell him like change the road to be a parking lot and the image resolution to be vertical. Okay, so we get that TikTok and Instagram Reels resolution. So let's see what we get from this. Hope it will be good. And I will be showing you after this how we can make a video out of it that looks ultra realistic. By the way, you cannot make an ultra realistic video without Nano Banana. So you need to create an image here and then place it in a video generator tool. I will be showing you which AI it is. Let's see what we got from this. Yeah, it looks crazy. It looks crazy, man. Let's download it. Okay. I mean, look at the details. It looks like I took the image. Okay, let's go to Flow. For anybody that doesn't know, Flow is VO3, by the way. Now it is VO 3.1. Okay, let's make a new project. set frames to video, plus upload, open, vertical, nice, crop and save. Okay, have this toothpaste that is being held be showcased around the card. Okay, let's create one, generate. Let's see what we get out of it. You can use this for anything. Let's say you use it for a personal brand. Maybe you want to add something in your video. You can do it. Maybe you want to create a crazy good looking image or correct your image that already exists. And you can use Gemini's Nano Banana to correct your image, to make a new image out of your image, for example, or do anything you actually want. But this is the best if you use it for business and create so realistic images and so realistic videos with it, and you can later on add it in meta ads and make money with it. Okay, let's see the video. It looks crazy, literally. You can see it is AI here, for example, when it turns around, yeah. You can see the waves on the text, but you can crop the parts that look good and use it in your ad creatives or your videos or your content. Literally, right now, you can make your brand look so luxurious and high end with AI. You literally make your product stand on a yacht or in a Lamborghini, in a penthouse. For example, like you can do anything, anything. And as you can see, the logo is consistent, even on the toothpaste and on the steering wheel with the Lambo logo. You can, of course, regenerate and make a perfect video out of it. So you need like few regenerations, but it's very quick. Instead of renting a Lamborghini and going inside and filming like for an hour and so on, you just make an image in Nano Banana and put it in Veo 3 and make video out of it. You can do this with anything. You can sell tons and tons of products with this. It's very useful. Okay, let's regenerate and make another one just for the sake of it. Okay, we got our video. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it looks crazy, man. Only this part behind the toothpaste, it can be seen it is swirling around. So, yeah, you can cut out that part, for example, with any product you have. But you see how real it looks, man. It's crazy, man. It's crazy how good it is. This is how I actually generated over 200 million views in like 2 weeks and 30K followers and 40K on TikTok and so on, and generated over 200K dollars for my clients using only AI. Literally, I use AI every single day. There is a lot more you can do with AI, not only this, a lot more. You can change the background of your video if you're filming yourself. You can change the weather. You can color grade your videos in a minute with AI. And it is very, very handy when you don't have time and you need to publish something very, very quick and you need to get something done for your clients and so on. And by the way, I'm also teaching you guys how you can do it too and make money with AI actually and get the best content possible in the AI bootcamp. I have a link under this video. You can check it out, see if it suits you, and we can work together, of course, if you want to make your content boom. Go make some money, bro. See you in the next video, man.